So in this video guys, I am going to show you kung paano ko ginagamit itong Glam Hour na Artist Rouge Velvet to Powder Blush para mas flawless ang application. So after applying my foundation or sunscreen, hindi ko muna sineset ng powder ang face ko. Bali, pinapatong ko muna itong blush na to for better application and para mas flawless ang look. Ang ganda ng texture ng blush na to guys, super soft to touch, and kapag diniinan mo yung paghawak sa product, as in lulubog talaga yung daliri mo kasi yung texture ng product para siyang dough. When it comes to application naman, you can use a sponge or brush, pero for me, mas preferred ko po na kamayin yung product kasi mas nadadalian ako na i-blend ang product. And itong shade na Monet, for me, bagay po siya sa may mga fair to medium skin tone. Ito po yung perfect light pink, and yung shade nito, it's buildable, and ang napansin ko, meron siyang blurring effect. Na-test ko na din ito multiple times, and I can say na long-lasting po itong product na to. After applying the blush, you can set your face using your desired powder, and in this video, I'll be using the Get Ready With Me na Powder Rush in the shade Bright and Pink. I just apply this all over my face, including my neck, to set everything, para di gumalaw talaga yung makeup, okay? And to match my blush, guys, gagamitin ko po itong lipstick combo from Vice Cosmetics. Ito yung kanilang Velvet Soft na collab with L'Urge Puree. And for the outer corner of my lips, I'll be using the shade Dreamy. And then for the inner part naman, itong Iconic. So, i-blend mo lang to create that very youthful na gradient look. And to be honest, guys, I'm a lip tint girly, pero lately parang I kept on collecting the different shades, tapos niregaluhan din ako ng husband and anak ko ng mga different shades sa collection to. Basta I'll talk in another video. So yeah, I'm done with my makeup. As you can see, this is my outfit, guys, all from TikTok. Top from Cozy and Comfy, tapos itong short skirt, rather, from Karin. May 2 working pockets ito, and my shorts sa loob. So, safe na safe. And then, my bag is from Mosdom. So, that's my quick get ready with me, guys. And yeah, let me know kung nagustuhan nyo po. Bye!